Hey there, everyone. Welcome back. Today, we're actually out here talking with Michael Farkas. Michael is our commercial superintendent here at Kanga Roof. And Michael came to me with a really cool story from him and my brother Matthew. Now, Michael, we had a job, IDC Industries.
Right.
And you and my brother came up with this whole green initiative. What was that? I mean, roofing and green don't really go together.
Right. Well, so what happened was when our inspector went out, we do our core samples as we do on every project. We noticed, almost a 30,000 square foot section of this project had styrofoam underneath, which isn't typical for our roof projects. We usually see a polyisocarnate roof insulation. So in this situation, we were like, well, what are we going to do? 3-inch insulation. We got a ton of it. It's going to fill up dumpster after dumpster. What's a better way that we can get this off of the roof? And your brother came to me with a company that foam recycles, actually, out of Kalamazoo. So we got
local.
Yeah, local to Michigan here, west side of the state. So we got in touch with them, and we, took care of all the logistics of it. And they basically said, yes, take it off the roof in full sections, organize it, 4-foot tall bundles, wrap it up, get it nice and stage protected. We'll send a truck to pick it up, and we'll recycle it. So they're taking the ISO that's been up on that roof for 30 years, who knows how long. Yep.
We had to package it up.
Yep.
They came. Did we have to pay for this?
Didn't cost us a penny.
Okay. And then they take it back to their warehouse what do they do with it?
What they do is they actually melt it down and back into its chemical state, and then they can rebuild it into whatever styrofoam products they want to make with it.
The old Big Mac styrofoam containers.
Exactly. Anything you could think of. They will reuse that. And again, we gave them close to 30,000 square feet worth of it.
Wow.
So it's quite a bit of styrofoam, 2 semi-trucks worth.
How many, because like on this, we're talking commercial projects. So we're using the 30-yard steel wheel, full-size dumpsters. How many dumpsters did that save from going in a landfill?
Oh, I'd say we saved on at least 10 or 15 30-yard dumpsters. That would have, filled up to the brim. Plus, as the styrofoam comes off, it gets crushed and broke. You get all the little debris pieces. They blow everywhere, makes a big mess of the area. So it's really nice to be able to keep this together nice and neat, off the roof, onto the truck, and sent back for them to melt that down.
And this is the first project we ever have done this on, correct?
First project that we've ever done this on, but of course, any projects where we notice this in the future, we know exactly what to do now.
So we now have added something into our arsenal, because we know that in Michigan, unfortunately, it's, there's states, it kind of boggles my mind, they recycle their asphalt shingles. Here, we're not allowed to because, our roads apparently are just in great shape, as everyone watching knows. So we can't recycle shingles here.
Right.
But this is a great way that we can actually bring some green initiatives, be eco-conscious outside of, we know about the reflective nature of TPO or PVC, how that can help be energy efficient, or solar panels or solar shingles. But this is something now on the commercial side that actually benefits the community. The money's staying local with Michigan. We're preventing landfills because same thing, our dumps here go right to landfills in Michigan.
They do.
We know we import from Canada. So this is really cool. I'm really excited about it. And so is there anything else you and Matthew have on the burner as far as this and looking forward? Is this now part of like the inspection process and what you guys are doing?
Yeah, absolutely. This is part of the inspection process. Every time we go out to our roof inspections and pull a core sample, we're looking at that insulation base. We're seeing, is it a product that we have a recyclable option for? Even if it isn't just styrofoam, we're exploring all options now because this was new to us and exciting for us. So we're taking a look and we're seeing what we can do to do our part and get stuff recycled as best we can on any future projects.
Some would say you're hopping to it.
We're hopping to it.
Well, really cool. Michael, I really appreciate you taking the time with us today. For those of you out there, if you have a commercial building, it's important hopefully that we are mindful of this. Our mission is proving there's a better way to serve our team, clients, in the community. And we view initiatives like this as part of that fulfillment of that commitment to the community, because it's keeping money local here in Michigan. We're supporting other Michigan businesses, keeping, forever chemicals and components out of landfills. And we think it's the right thing to do. So if you have a commercial building out there and you want a partner who is conscious of doing the right thing, I really hope you consider giving us a call. The phone number is 586-566-0308. You know the website, kanga-roof.com, where you can book your own appointment online, even for our commercial clients. And if you're watching on YouTube, hey, don't forget, like and subscribe, because we're always coming up with new initiatives and education pieces like this, so you know all of the services that are available to you. And as always, I hope you have a kangarific day.